Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Nishat and in this video I am going to tell you how to smartly attempt the NEET paper and how to master the OMR sheet like a pro. Number 1. Attempt your strongest subject first. Start with the subject you are most confident about. In most cases it's biology because it's factual and faster to solve. So what happens is, if you start with something you are confident in, it builds your confidence early for the entire paper. So after biology, move to chemistry and then finally to physics. Number 2 is fix internal time targets. NEET में आपके पास total 3 hours होते हैं, that is 180 minutes, and total subjects 3 है, that is physics, chemistry and biology. Now what you have to do is, for biology keep at least 45 to 50 minutes, for chemistry keep 50 to 55 minutes, and for physics keep 55 to 60 minutes, and leave 15 to 20 minutes at the end for double checking and OMR final review. Number 3 is OMR sheet strategy. Do not fill the entire OMR at the end of the exam. It's a huge risk if time runs out. Also, do not fill the OMR after every single question. कुछ नहीं होगा, बस time waste होगा. So the best strategy is to solve 10 to 15 questions and then fill the OMR for those questions. OMR filling के लिए you will be using the black ball pen that will be provided in the exam center. Circle the bubbles neatly, avoid partial or over marking of the bubbles. A tip for you is to practice OMR filling at home during your mock test. Number 4 is section wise approach. फर्स्ट राउंड में आप इजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेना. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जिनके आंसर आप देख के बता सकते हो, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस आप कंप्लीट कर लेना. देन गो फॉर द मॉडरेट लेवल क्वेश्चंस. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो आप इजीली 45 टू 60 सेकेंड्स के अंदर सॉल्व कर लो, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस आप कंप्लीट कर लेना. देन फॉर द बिट डिफिकल्ट और ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस यू मार्क इट फॉर लेटर एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड. Number 5 is mark and move. If you are not 90% sure about a question in the first read, just mark it for review and move forward. Please do not get attached to a single question. अगर आपसे एक क्वेश्चन नहीं बन रहे, then उस क्वेश्चन में स्टक मत हो जाओ एंड पैनिक तो बिल्कुल मत करो. वो क्वेश्चन वहीं पे छोड़ो एंड आगे बढ़ो एंड बाकी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करो. Number 6 is save last 20 to 30 minutes. Like I already mentioned, keep 15 to 20 minutes at the end. So after attempting every questions, use this last minutes for rechecking your OMR if it is correctly filled, revisiting the marked questions if time permits, and correcting any silly bubbling mistakes in the OMR. This last minute check can save you from huge unnecessary losses. NEET is just not a test of knowledge, it's a test of presence of mind. Use these OMR tips smartly and maximize your score in NEET 2025. Do like this video, share it with your NEET friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.